Hemp is the only vegan food that has the same 3-to-6 ratio as fish oil. And hemp has over 6 times more omega-3 than raw tuna. It's also packed with protein, loaded with antioxidants, vitamin E, it's good for your heart, your joints, your skin. So today, we're gonna make hemp milk in 5 minutes. Add a 1/4 cup of hemp hearts into your blender. And then add 2 cups of water. Next, you're going to add 2 dates. Did you ever make a peanut butter cup with dates? Because that is so good. Maybe a different recipe for another day, but yeah, back on topic. And I usually don't measure it, but just a splash of vanilla extract. Once everything's in the blender, you're going to blend it on high for 1 minute. And here we go. And then pour it into a milk jug. There's no need to strain. Add into your coffee, your cereal, however you want to drink it, and enjoy. I really like adding vanilla for the flavor, but if you prefer hemp milk chocolate milk, I'll also include that recipe for you in the caption. So if you want to make the hemp milk, I have a discount code for this brand. Just use code LIVEHOLISTIC with the link below, and it'll save you 20%. Comment how you like your coffee. I used to drink coffee black all the time, and now it's hemp milk, and that's how you make hemp milk in 5 minutes. As always, thank you for being here. I appreciate you, and I hope you have a good rest of your day. Bye!